Hey, how's it going? Just want to give a quick shout out to Ed and Rob over at ClicksGeek. I went through their Google Ads Training Academy, also the Landing Page Academy, and I've been getting really, really good results for my clients. And I wanted to put this video together for them really quick, just to kind of, speak to yourself if you are kind of on the fence about getting in, you don't want to spend the money, whatever it might be. Trust me, especially if you're working with clients, like you will get a return on investment, not only for yourself, but for your clients as well. And what I'll actually do, just so I'm not talking out of theory, is probably somewhere on the screen. I don't even know. I'll do it in the edit. I will put some stats for one of my clients that I've been working with recently. I'm seeing conversion rates 30% for this month alone, and just kind of continually getting better and better and better with that. So yeah, I mean, it's one of those things where if you want to get better results for your clients, if you want to make more money for yourself, for your agency, whatever, definitely jump into the course. The knowledge you'll gain is really, really good. And, it's one of those things where a lot of people out there, they teach marketing, quote unquote, they teach marketing, but it ends up being very, theoretical or things like that. This is very, very hands-on. You will learn a ton in the process, and it's something that you can just kind of go back to and revisit if you're ever feeling stuck and want to get better. So yeah, that's kind of it for that. I wanted to give them that shout out really quick, and yeah, if you're thinking about joining any of those programs, definitely jump in. You can trust them, and I'm sure you will not be disappointed.